Hi everyone, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. This is Raja, your art and design trainer. In this tutorial, we learn how to draw a simple two-point perspective interior, a hospital reception area. Let's begin. This video will show you how to make an easy memory drawing and how to include people and surroundings in your composition. When you get a descriptive drawing question in exams like UCEED, NIFT, NITE or JEE, the first step is to develop your concept idea. After that, always draw a thumbnail sketch. The thumbnail acts as a roadmap for your final drawing. It helps you plan the layout, perspective and figure placement. In this video, I didn't include the thumbnail sketch. Sorry about that. Usually I start by drawing human figures first before working on the background. This helps me visualize the scene quickly and saves time since I don't have to erase overlapping lines later. While sketching the figures, I directly add details and focus on pose, anatomy, and line of action. This may look tricky for beginners, but with practice, it becomes easier and faster. If you'd like to learn these techniques in depth, you can call or WhatsApp me for online art classes. After completing the figures, I add the background using two vanishing points. This gives the interior a realistic sense of depth and space. In this video, I didn't include light and shade, but once your line drawing is done, you can easily add shadows, tones and textures to bring the sketch to life. And that's it for this tutorial. I have uploaded over 500 drawing tutorials on this channel, focused on UCEED, NIFT, NITE and JEE entrance preparation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when new tutorials are uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another simple and creative drawing video. Happy sketching!